Hello Dnation and welcome back to a New Year Special Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the 2007 and the 2012 Harley Davidson XL 1200N Nightster, which is a licensed premium 118 scale diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Welcome back to Dnation's New Year Special. Before we begin today's episode, I want to take a few moments to announce our last week's Christmas special giveaway winner, and the winner of this premium diecast motorcycle is D.A.Customs. So kindly DM me, I'll send this across to you at the earliest. Wishing you a happy new year, take care and have a good one. And don't you worry, I'll be giving away one more premium 118 scale Harley Davidson Replica for this week, so stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how you could also get one. So moving on with today's episode, the packaging of these premium motorcycles are licensed Harley Davidson affiliated window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Maisto. So let's go ahead and take a look at this premium boxing before we crack these beauties open. And with that out of the way, and as we get these unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, to begin with, these models are licensed products of Harley Davidson, and this motorcycle is the 2007 model orange variation of the Harley Davidson 1200N Nightster, and this one is the 2012 model blue variation of the Harley Davidson 1200N Nightster. And by the looks of it, the designs and the exteriors are almost the same with a few minor differences, and these amazing diecast replicas look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of die-cast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes these premium collectibles. These models measure in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weigh in at about 130 grams respectively. These models also come with spot-on paint apps and branding details, and have free-rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more, which makes them a premium collectible. And with these models you're guaranteed replicas which are built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or even a hobbyist, and also a Harley Davidson enthusiast. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the amazing bodywork and the exteriors of these premium diecast motorcycles. Well, I'm really amazed with the attention to details on these motorcycles, and I love the paint job and the exteriors of both these variations, and these get a massive thumbs up for the exteriors. So now let's place these diecast beauties on the D-Nation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium diecast models. And with that being said, let's place these amazing motorcycle replicas on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Harley-Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression, along with Indian motorcycles. This brand has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley-Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavyweight, air-cooled cruiser motorcycles with engine displacements greater than 700 cubic centimeters, but it has broadened its offerings to include more contemporary motorcycles in 2002 and middleweight street motorcycles in 2015. And for further information on Harley-Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale diecast motorcycles featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And be it the holiday season, I'll be giving away a 118 scale premium Harley-Davidson motorcycle this week as well. And all you've got to do to get one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to D-Nation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram, links in the description below. So hurry and get your Harley now. And I would like to take this opportunity to wish all my D-Nation subscribers, followers and everyone out there a Happy New Year. Take care and have a beautiful one. And I would also like to thank you for all your support and your feedback, and I really appreciate it a lot. Kindly continue to support D-Nation and like and share our videos, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.